in all, first impressions of EA's Skate is very positive. It's not that terrible. It's not awful. I can do everything you need to do in a skateboard game. I just need to learn more about, like, physics, I think, because I'm not getting enough speed on some stuff. I'm not really getting some good ollies off of things. Sometimes it's delayed, which I don't know if that's just the game itself or my internet. Who knows? But learning all the tricks, like once you learn all the tricks and can actually do everything, you feel like a G. You feel like you accomplished something and got better at doing it rather than just like Tony Hawk, where you press a series